LA Center, Frontier Flight 2232, 12,000 feet, climbing via the Sunshine 5 departure.
Center, good day, Southwest 1548, leading 370, 29 miles northeast of Fairmont.
Sorry, I had some issues there with my voice comms. Southwest 1548, Roger Simon. American 5, are you up?
Region 5, Southwest 1548.
Thank you. American 5, LA Center.
5 would be 340.
American 5, LA Center, Roger, thanks. Allegiant 251, LA Center, yeah.
Allegiant 251, crossing HaHa 300.
Allegiant 251, Roger, thanks. Frontier Flight 2232, LA Center, yeah.
Yes, I am.
Roger, thanks. Sorry, I was having some issues there. Southwest 1548, radar contact, continue descending there on the Throne 3 arrival. The Burbank altimeter is 2998.
To descend with the Throne 3 arrival 2998, Southwest 1548.
LA Center, United 5348, 33,000 feet.
United 5348, LA Center, Roger.
LA Center, United 336, looking for IFR clearance to San Francisco. We are at Savannah.
Contact SoCal 128.05 for that.
Over to SoCal, thank you for United 335.
Los Angeles Center, Allegiant 771 is leaving 36,600, climbing 3,800. Allegiant 771, LA Center, Roger. Allegiant 251 descend via the Rockstar 3 arrival. runway 19er right transition, 19 right. The Las Vegas altimeter is 2962.
Descend rough start 3, 100 right, transition, Allegiance 221.
LA Center, good evening. Frontier Flight 3425, holding short, 19 left, ready for departure.
Frontier Flight 3425, roger, runway 19er left, you're cleared for takeoff. Wind 220 at 27 gust 40.
Clear takeoff, 19 left, Frontier 3425.
American 1522 just arrived at flight level 230, requesting flight level 330.
Allegiance 771, contact Oakland Center 132.2. American 1522, LA Center, climb and maintain flight level 400.
Climb and maintain flight level 400, American 1522.
LA Center, American 35 on the Yana, Zulu for 100 right, Las Vegas.
Roger, standby. American 285, runway, are you for the left or right side? American 285, are you landing 19er right or 19er left?
100 right, American 35.
American 285, ready 19er right, you're clear to land. The wind is 220, 27 gust 40.
To land 100 right, American 35.
Center, no shuttle 345, climbing to flight level 230 at 160 with you. With no shuttle 345, climbing 134 for 230 with you.
Yeah, I heard you the first time, standby. Allegiance 771, are you here? LA Center, Allegiance 771. Sorry, Allegiance 7071, contact Oakland Center 132.2. Los Angeles Center, Allegiance 771, 132.2. Have a good day. You too.
Center, American 739 with Quebec, gate Delta 41, looking to push to start.
American 739, yep. Do you need to push onto an active taxiway, or are you okay at the ramp?
I should be able to push a non-active taxiway.
Okay, probably that's at your discretion then. Let me know when you're ready to go.
We'll call back, thanks.
Center, good evening. Frontier Flight 1769 is with you, descending into San Diego.
Flight 1769 LA Center, roger, continue descending there on the Lucky 1 arrival. The Lindbergh altimeter is 3006.
Continue to descend on the arrival 3006, Frontier Flight 1769.
LA Center, good evening. This is American 6243 with you at flight level 300.
American 6243, where are you?
I'm about 40 miles south of the Golf Charlie November VR.
Ah, there you are. American 6242, LA Center, roger. Are you on a heading now, or is the Albuquerque heading?
I am direct loss.
Okay, right, thanks. Fructify 2232, descend via the rounders to arrival. Runway 19er left transition, Vegas altimeter 2964.
Descend via the rounders to arrival. 19 left transition, Las Vegas, altimeter 2964. Winter flight 2232.
City Los Angeles Center, United 7267 at 270.
United 2367 where? Oh, sorry, excuse me, United 2367 Alexander, Roger, thanks.
Central Center, good evening, correct 712, level and now for 350, direct Fletcher.
American 5 descending to Hollywood 1 arrival, the the Ontario altimeter is 2999er.
Descend via the Hollywood 1 arrival, American 5, thanks.
FedEx 12 LA Center, Roger.
LA Center South 467, 10,000.
Southwest 467 LA Center, Roger, climb and maintain flight 360.
360 South 467.
LA Center, good evening, American 226, flight level 370 inbound Winan.
American 226. LA Center, hello, good evening.
American 285, executive 19, alright, on whiskey.
American 285 cross runway 19er left at Whiskey, taxi to ramp the Golf Charlie.
Cross on our left wire on whiskey and taxi to ramp via Boeing Charlie, American 285.
LA Center Frontier 3425 out of 17,000, climbing via the Raider 2.
Gift 3425 LA Center, radar contact, climb and maintain level 260.
Climb 260, Frontier 3425.
LA Center Shuttle 345, listen for the climb.
Shuttle 345, climb and maintain level 350.
Climb 350.
American 5022, you up?
Sorry, say again, American 1522.
Disregard, you answered my question. Southwest 2722, LA Center, you up? Southwest 1540, contact SoCal approach 128.05.
18.05, Southwest 1548, see you.
Bye-bye.
LA Center.
Circle approach, good day, Southwest 1548, 13,000 on arrival.
Southwest 1548, SoCal approach, Burbank altimeter 3000, expect the ILS runway 8.
3000, expect LS 8, Southwest 1548.
Southwest 3520, LA Center 135.55.
135.55, CSS 3520.
Phenom 66 Mike, wind 260 and 10, runway 24, clear to land.
Clear to land on runway 24, Phenom 66 Mike.
Ladies and gentlemen, the fasten seatbelt sign has been turned on. Please be in your seat with your seatbelt visible and fastened. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, the fasten seatbelt sign has been turned on. Please be in your seat with your seatbelt visible and fastened. Thank you.
Departure good afternoon, November 74 Delta Alpha, 2000 up to 5000.
Over 744 Delta Alpha, SoCal departure, radar contact. Turn left heading 180, climb maintain 1313,000.
1313,000 left heading 180, 744 Delta Alpha.
Lattice 4 Delta Alpha, turn left heading 090.
Left 090, 744 Delta Alpha.
SoCal departure, helicopter November 177 Echo Delta, VFR 1800 climbing to 2000 out of Ontario.
And helicopter 177 Echo Delta, SoCal departure, radar contact, proceed on course, maintain VFR.
On course VFR 7 Echo Delta.
Phenom 66 Mike, left at the end and to the ramp.
Left at the end and to the ramp, Phenom 66 Mike.
SoCal approach, American 1422, passing 2,500.
American 1422, SoCal departure, radar contact, climb maintain 15,000.
Climb maintain flight level 150, American 1422.
Lattice 4 Delta Alpha, clear direct Seal Beach, Sierra Lima, India.
Direct Charlie, maintain 744 Delta Alpha.
That is 44 Delta Alpha, contact Delhi Center 135.55.
3555, 744 Delta Alpha, good day.
SoCal approach, good evening. Frontier Flight 1769 is with you, inbound San Diego.
Frontier Flight 1769, SoCal approach, hello at Lindy, clear the localizer 27 approach.
Cleared the localizer 27 approach after Lindy, Frontier Flight 1769.
SoCal approach with Eugene 87 with you, passing 1,800.
Air 87 Heavy, SoCal departure, radar contact, climb, maintain flight level 230.
Climb maintain 230 at 87.
American 1422, contact Delhi Center 135.55.
Contact Delhi Center 135.55, American 1422.
SoCal American 5 with you, descending through 200 on Hollywood 1.
American 5, SoCal approach, good evening. At CVU, cleared ILS 25 left approach.
At CV cleared 25 left ILS, thank you.
Also 1548 heading 250, vectors to final, maintain 8,000.
Heading 250, maintain 8,000, Southwest 1548.
Frontier Flight 1769, contact Tower 18-3.
18-3, Frontier Flight 1769. Limburg Tower, good evening.
Still also go. Southwest 1548 to maintain 6,000.
17, 6,000, contact 1548.
Air T87, contact LA Center 135.55.
13555, Tahiti South Hawk, with bye-bye.
Helicopter 7 Echo Delta, the Santa Ana altimeter 3001.
3001, 7 Echo Delta.
LA departures Virgin 500 view at 3,400 going to 10,000.
Virgin 500, SoCal departure, ready to contact, turn left to direct Clipper, climb maintain flight level 230.
Turning left, direct Clipper, flight level 230, Virgin 500.
make our final descent into Burbank. Please stow laptop computers and similarly sized electronic devices. Small portable electronic devices may continue to be used in airplane mode but must be secured for the remainder of the flight. Please ensure all carry-on items are completely under the seats in front of you or in an overhead bin, leaving the area around your seat free. Please raise your seat back and tray table to the full upright and locked position and fasten your seatbelt. We will come by one last time to pick up cups, cans, newspapers, and any other trash. Thank you.
And departure LA nice open for Whiskey Passion 1500 Spirit, Dallas.
Yeah, 1534 SoCal departure ready to contact.
SoCal, good evening, Frontier Flight 3425 out of 17,000 descending via the Disney flight.
Frontier Flight 3425 SoCal approach, good evening, expect the RNAV Zulu 20 right.
Expect the RNAV Zulu 20 right, Frontier 3425.
Southwest 1548 heading 280, maintain 5,000.
Heading 280 to 5,000, Southwest 1548.
And Virgin 500 to contact LA Center 135.55.
Back to LA Center 135.55 for American Hawk.
Negative, those for Virgin 500.
Thank you. I was going to say 56.
Contact center 135.55, Virgin 500. Thank you for your service.
Southwest 1548 heading 340.
Heading 340, Southwest 1548.
Southwest 1548 to maintain 4,000.
Maintain 4,000, Southwest 1548.
Ladies and gentlemen, the fasten seatbelt sign has
Southwest
been turned on.
1548 heading 050, cleared ILS runway 8.
Right, 050, clear LSA. Southwest 1548.
Ladies and gentlemen, the fasten seatbelt sign has been turned on. Please be in your seat.
Yeah, 1274, contact Delhi Center 135.55.
3555, Tia is now looking for.
American 5, contact tower 120.95.
Over to Tower American.
Southwest 1548, wind, calm, runway 8, cleared land.
Runway 8, clear land, Southwest 1548.
Frontier Flight 3425, I need to step away and it might be about 5 minutes, so I'm going to give you a really early approach clearance. Across Disney at 8,000, you'll clear the RNAV Zulu 20 right approach.
Okay, cross Disney 8000, cleared RNAV Zulu 20 right, Frontier 3425.
And all aircraft big C SoCal will be stepping away for about 4 minutes.
Just as we continue, speed brake arm, landing gear down, flaps go to the green light and check the
Ladies and gentlemen, the fasten seatbelt sign has been turned on. Please be in your seat with your seatbelt visible and fastened. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, the fasten seatbelt sign has been turned on. Please be in your seat with your seatbelt visible and fastened. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, the fasten seatbelt sign has been turned on. Please be in your seat with your seatbelt visible and fastened. Thank you.
50, 30, 10.
Reverse.
Fairfield approach is back.
Idle.
On behalf of this flight crew and Southwest Airlines, welcome to Burbank. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened, seat back and tray cable in their full upright and locked position, and all carry on.
631 SoCal departure ready. I'm sorry, SoCal departure ready to contact climb via the altitude departure.
Fasten seatbelt sign. Please be careful when opening the overhead bin. Items may have shifted during flight and could fall. You may now use the cellular function of these small portable electronic devices, but please remain seated and leave your
Welcome to Echo Delta, roger that. Radar service turn is blocked via power frequency change approved.
safety. Please ensure that you and any children you are supervising remain clear of the front and back doors. If you are connecting here to another Southwest flight, please check the monitors in the terminal for your flight and gate number.
Level 1548, ready that. You can taxi straight into the ramp.
We know you have a choice when you fly, and we thank you for choosing Southwest Airlines.
Bearings 631, you can climb via the sit up to 17,000 feet.
Climb via up to 17,000, Spirit wind 631. SoCal approach, good evening, November 900 Hotel Tango on the ground of Burbank. We'd like to get IFR to McKinney.
And November 900 Hotel Tango SoCal departure.